Hello and welcome back everyone to the channel. MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to change the headlight ballast on your Audi. So right here I have a 2013 Audi A6 and the left side headlight is not working. I've changed the bulb and that did not fix the issue. So the issue lies within this module. It's called the headlight ballast, and this is what controls the power to the headlight. So we're going to be changing it. It's pretty simple, and within like 10 minutes the job is done. So we're going to get started by making sure our headlight is off, and then you're going to remove the inner fender lining. I've already removed it, and if you want to make the job a lot easier, you can remove the wheel, but it's not necessary, and I am doing this DIY without removing the wheel. So with the fender well out of the way, you're going to see this module right here. It's held on with a couple of Torx screws. You're going to need a T15 Torx driver. Once you remove them, this module, you're going to twist it counterclockwise and it's going to pull down, and there are two wires connected to it that we're going to remove. And then I'm going to change it with our replacement part, and as you guys are seeing with both the modules next to one another, this module is completely rusted and corroded. That's why our headlight is not working. So I'm going to reinstall everything back in the reverse process, but let me show you guys the results after changing this ballast. And there you have it. Both of my headlights are now working on my Audi. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy DIY video for the Audi. And if this video helped you guys out, please make sure to hit the like and share button. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.